everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make Gosari Namul or stir-fried bracken. Gosari Namul or stir-fried bracken is a Korean traditional side dish. If you gather young gosari in spring and dry them, you can eat them all year round. It is a food not to be missed on every holiday and ceremony, and it is also an important ingredient of 육개장 and bibimbap. Some say that gosari has a meat flavor and texture, so Korean people ate them when they couldn't afford to buy real meat like beef or pork. As it takes time to cook dried gosari, Gosari Namul is recognized as a difficult dish to make. However, American slow cookers make it much easier to cook gosari. This is also the way I invented from living in the United States for 11 years. There are many Korean traditional foods that need a long cooking time, and it is interesting that you can easily cook most of them using American slow cookers. So this is kind of Americanized Korean food. Place the planchette gosari in a slow cooker and pour boiling water until gosari is submerged in water. Set the temperature high and cook for 2 hours. I used blanched gosari, but you can use dried gosari. For dried gosari, you cook it in a slow cooker for 3 hours. After 2 hours, open the lid and check how soft gosari is. The most certain way is to pick one and chew. If the shape is maintained and you can chew it well, it is done. Remove gosari and wash them 3 times and soak in cold water. In the meantime, we make anchovy broth. You can skip this step if you have pre-made broth. Put dried anchovy and kelp in a saucepan and pour water as much as you want. The more anchovy you put, the more tasty the broth is. Boil it over medium heat. When the broth is boiled, let it boil for about 3 more minutes. Then lower the heat and cook for about 10 minutes. Drain gosari. Cut gosari into appropriate length using scissors or a knife. At this time, remove excessively tough or stiff parts. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of green onion slices, and mix them well with gosari. Mixing by hand is the most effective way. Over medium heat, heat the skillet. When the skillet is hot enough, add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I use a stainless steel skillet, so I will wait for the oil to fully coat the skillet. Or you can watch my previous video about this. At this time, add the marinated gosari and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Pour 1 cup of broth and mix well. Then lower the heat and cover the pan. Cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and stir it occasionally until the broth is going away. Taste some gosari, and if it's well cooked, turn off the heat. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and mix well. Transfer gosari to a plate and sprinkle some sesame seeds. Serve it with rice. Enjoy!